little baby ducks. They're so cute.
Let's walk closer, baby. Come on, let's walk closer. Long.
Yes, they will. Oh, fine.
Bro, they even got the Hawaiian out here fishing. Look.
Damn.
Look at this one just chilling over here. Oh, they all pop a squat like that. I guess that's how they sit. You got mom over here on duty looking over her kids.
She's like, let me see what these little nigglets doing. Somebody gonna watch their ass. Where'd they even come from? I didn't even see where they even came up from. Like,
and these fools are
they
on the
just
tree.
appear out of nowhere.
They're on the tree just posted up like.
It's my turn. Get down. Yeah, of course you're done, because you got the goddamn line in the tree. You're a shitty fisherman. You survive fishing.
Now they're all sitting. Like, what's the move, Mom? What do we do? Oh, we finna snuggle up with each other. So cute.
It's a little chilly out here.
Oh shit.
Bro, what you talking about?
What up, homie? What set you from? Oh, really? Oh, it was Deborah.
Deborah liked what she saw.
Yeah, I told you it was an old lady. I told you that. Oh, you missed it.
Squared up on the squirrels. Wow.
You missed it. That motherfucker.